Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing the stock which have potential for a movement or are given good setup for 25th of August. So first starting with Nifty. As I told yesterday that I was looking for a entry long somewhere around this area, that once price will be retracing to the 61.8 retracement of this swing and slowing down, then I'll be looking for longs. Today price opened gap down and after that a little gap upside, and after that it was having a good momentum to downside. So once it broke below, I was just out of the premise that there is no long trade here. So I was just sitting on the sidelines, and I was, since this was broken to downside, I was looking for a pullback to the upside. So as you can see, as per my methodology, once this structure was broken to the upside, it meant that this swing is completed, and after that this particular retracement started to happen. This was a uptrend. If one wanted, one can still trade this thing in the counter trend direction. Once this has been broken to the upside, you can measure one smaller swing or any of the smaller swing to the upside, buy at 61.8, and you will be getting the target of 127 extension. You can do this until you are getting stopped out and expectation is getting filled here. As I'll show you this one. You can also buy 61.8 retracement of this smaller thing. This will be scalping. If you are interested, you can also do that, but this is less probability trade. Once a price swing has moved down and made a new structure low, we are expecting one retracement to the upper half of the swing. So in that scenario, you can still trade these smaller swing to the upside until you are getting stopped out here like this. So I was just waiting for the expectation to align to this major swing. So once this swing was broken to the downside, I was alerted, and again I was waiting for a retracement of this particular new structure high on the lower time frame. So once the price moved to 61.8 retracement here, I opened a short trade here, exactly at this point, keeping the stop loss over here, and the target was very simple, 1-to-1 extension of this particular swing like this. Once the price moved here, I can see it was slowing down to the downside. I just booked the profit here. It was 1-to-1 single trade, 1-to-1 extension. So after that, there was one more option to trade long to the long side. As you can see, this was a congestion area where we can see buyers were present. So I was again expecting that the price will be coming here and it will be giving a retracement to the upside. So once it is started giving him, if somebody wanted, he can still trade these things. I mean, smaller swings. This one will usually not give a 61 retracement, but this swing obviously gave a 61.8 retracement here. If you would have wanted, or somebody has wanted, he would have initiated a long position around 15,750, keeping stop of below 17,555, sorry, and easily he would have got 1-to-1 extension here. So these are some scalping trades. Many people out there are trading only Nifty futures and maybe options. So in that case, they can analyze this way and trade small swings as well. So for tomorrow, my trade is very simple. Once this high to the upside has been broken, this is very weak high. So I'm still expecting that it will be retracing deeper, somewhere around entry will be somewhere around 17,750 with a stop loss below 17,555. And if we get a 1-to-1 extension of this whole thing, it will come by somewhere around 17,667. So this will be my long trade if price does what I am expecting to retrace here, and then we'll be opening a long position. So let's look at the stocks which have potential for tomorrow's trade. Okay, this is Balrampur Chini. I was expecting that it might give a retracement to our expected area, but it has not gone too much deep. But still, I'm expecting if price is moving to 342, I'll be opening a long position with a stop loss below, just below 340.5, and the target will be quite big. It will be around 358 or 350. The next is Metropolis. As we can see, this stock has started from this, continuous downtrend. It has started a mini uptrend. So I'm still, the buyers are not too huge here. So I'm expecting a retracement to this area. If it comes, then I'll be having a long entry around 1400 with a stop loss around 1385, and target will be 127 extension or 1 to 1 of this particular swing, which will be somewhere around 1341. Sorry. It will be 1441. My bad. 1441, somewhere around here. Another one is Nippon India. Nippon India has retraced too deep, and in case it is not going to break in the early opening trade tomorrow, then I will be opening a long position around 310, 311 here, whatever the price is, because as you can see, the stop loss will be very small here. So I will be taking a shot in this one. It has a high probability of breaching this low and breaking, stopping me out. But still, if it rotates from here, it will be a very good trade with a big R&R. It will be a very good trade if it moves here. So I'll be having an open position of long position around 310 with a stop loss below 3909 with a target around 21.5. The next one is the entertainment. As you can see from this downswing, it has started making a smaller swing to the upside. So I'm expecting 61.8 retracement of this swing, which will be somewhere around, entry will be around 261.3. The stop loss will be below 259 and target will be 121 extension from 61.8, which will be 267.5. So these are the 4 stocks which I think have the potential or maybe giving a very good R&R setup tomorrow. So this is all for this video. If you like the content, please do share with your friends and family. And if you have any query, please do post in the comment section. I will be solving it by my reply. Thank you very much. Thanks and happy trading.